The Willingtons welcomed their first child in style. Anita and Paul Okoye's marriage heading for the rocks. How our favorite celebrities dressed to the Headies Award. Crossdresser James Brown celebrated his birthday in style. Yes, so my correct people them I get clips and pictures from the 14 Headies Award. So they won a performance from Laycon. People never even see, the performance where Laycon they perform or waiting then they see now in oversized shoe. So people come they talk say, no be smart, This person here say Laycon stylist can never be an icon. Which kind butter be this? He can cry 3 times. Shoe wey Laycon wear go Headies dey trend for Twitter, and also Bovi t-shirt wey show flag wey dey stained with blood. Alright, so my character people then see our celebrities then wey slay with us blood. And may we take a look at Lillian Afe. Oh my god, this her dress is just so beautiful. Una know say she be slayer na Everly. Is much expected. Alright, so my correct people, them another beautiful person. Will be Erica. She too she been present award for Headies Award, and she's looking so flawless. Alright, so my correct people, them so more watch, more see the award which she present.
Okay, we're here to present the award to the revelation, the Headies revelation, that talent that deserves a head tonight.
Headies Revelation, a voting category for the best new artist in the year under review. And the nominees are
Big Brother Ninja housemate with a slave for suit, Alex and Kimopra. They are looking so beautiful. Alright, to see other housemates here, Erica, V, Watoni, she know they ever take them easy. Alright, so our beautiful ageless Nollywood actress, so that they call and say Iyabo Ojo. She might even come to escort at all. And also ageless Annie Idibia. Wow. Nancy's me, yes, she no come to escort. She been be one of the whose this dress is so beautiful and super creative. Wow, this is lovely. Alright, so this one now Oga Wizkid we fall in the place. Now so if follow carry award, follow body more watch.
Goes to
Wizkid! And the winner is Wizkid!
Where do I start for? Tim Wizkid, Starboy. I love you guys so much. Big shout out to the Headies. Thank you, Nigeria. Thank you, Africa. One love.
Yes, so my correct people, them God don't smile or they Willington. So now wow, our favorite Nollywood actress Adesua and her husband Banky W, they don't welcome a baby boy. So Adesua say na better birthday gift, so we Baba God they give and be that. Alright, so we'll read waiting the adorable couples they talk. Alright, so we'll first read from the husband. He say, happy birthday to my lady, my love, and purpose partner, my wall, my wife, my baby mama. I didn't think it was possible for you to be more beautiful than you already were, but I was wrong, because you are not just beautiful, you are strong, you are grace and favor personified, you are so much more. Words cannot properly express how grateful I am for you, how much I love you, or what we have been through. I am thankful that you are mine and that God made everything beautiful in His time. He turned our tears into triumph and our loss into laughter. He's changed our lives forever. Here's to the next and best chapter. Nothing I can say or do can top what he gave us. My baby had a baby and is everything we prayed for. Atadeswa, happy birthday, Mama Zaya. I love you, Scatter. Alright, so on a personality where they call and say by me, don't follow, share her maternity shoot video where she welcome her first pikin with her husband. Where be person of Femi Soro Ajayi. So media personality where they call and say Buka don't come out come thank all the men. Satulaton 9 part pass say in don't see their handwork for the lockdown. So 9 in talking Bele. You can write say over 9 months since the lockdown went into effect last year. I see you all now having babies. Time well spent. You can clap for them. Alright, so cross-dresser, where then they call and say James Brown, Bobrisky second, even though 2 of them they no one see themselves with their 2 naked idol celebration in birthday. With correct pictures them. Alright, so 9 James Brown Congo right say I have been getting complaints about sending me gifts. I'm so sorry about that. That's my account details. God bless you all, darlings. Or DM at James Brown Empire to get address to 9 people come they beg am say if you want beg me and beg in peace, me stop to the use style they beg. The first person can say compliment. Bawo, who they complain? Beg with your full chest. The second person can laugh. The third person can say begging with style. The fourth person can say you get any complaint, but we understand. And the fifth person can say happy birthday. The last person can say Oga, go sit down. Nobody they complain. Because James Brown talk say people they complain say they don't know how they want send and gifts. Now then they beg and say if you want beg me beg with in full chest. Alright, so my correct problem small me but they fly around say Paul we come off for the dysfunctional group P Square say him and his wife then they get bege as Paul they always they stand strong with him, they agree listen to him and it too they I don't know I go read them for una. So they say the wife now the marriage no they sweeter again, say her belle no sweet again, say which kind thing with this. So even the vacation where she even go abroad, even be her like say she for kuku remain there because she no get peace for her home. Whether not true, whether not be true, my correct problem. Now that one, I don't know. But you get one popular Instagram, blogger where they always write, some things. Even the other time we talk about Davido and Choma, and Davido confirmed it, when he may get interview with Ebuka, he confirmed say him and Choma been they get big and all that. Even say confirm and when he get interview with Nadia TV. So that same blogger will be Cutie Jolie. Now follow talk. Say Paul Okoye and his wife Anita. Say then they get big. Even as the wife go vacation, say they be like say if Okuko remain there. So when she even carry the matter, say I go meet Paul, senior brother where they call her say Jude, say that one no they even give one better answer. We go sweet her belly. As he can Kuko here again for the news, say even and him and his own wife self, say then they get problem because Jude here myself they behave like village headmaster when it comes to marriage, as in no day for the modern ways of marriage, you see day for the archaic ways of marriage. Alright, my correct people them. This family God give them beautiful wives, and the women they look so super humble. And person go see them, many women go see them outside, they go wish say na me. But they tell say all that glitters are not gold. So who knows? Who knows? Nobody knows. As you know, hear them from the horse's mouth. Not only when you hear something. To say now from the wives, now we hear them for we put our stamp quickly. But this one now, we know if we put our stamp, because if it just be made them say talk. But sometimes you get what I go think, I go reason and say, Abima put my amebo stamp, Abima no put my amebo stamp. I go read the story according to how the blogger talk. make una hear wetin come make me come dey feel like say this thing fit be true na because of that last year wey Lola bin wish Paul Okoye happy birthday together with him brother Peter. The kind reply wey Paul dey give am no be small thing o. He give am one kind reply wey you go know say true him name na rude boy. Tete even use age sef insult am like say old age na curse instead of blessing. I can't feel pity for her sha, but I can't see reason and say na who send her. You and person una no dey talk physically, instead of you to call am for phone or find way make peace, you go dey write for social media like say you don become angel. Na the thing wey so follow provocation Paul wey take gbege am like that. I been do video about am. No be small gbege Paul give am o. Alright, so my correct people dem una know say Paul and Jude they no dey happy with Peter. Say him wife dey manipulate am gbogbo tigbo. Maybe na all this kind men maybe say they no get value for women. I don't know, I just dey talk out of experience. Una know say some men wey they no value their woman, when they see another man wey value him own, they go say the woman dey use am, the woman dey manipulate am. I no know, this small army but fit be true, if it no be true, but man read am according to how the blogger talk am. Alright, so the person say, wow, Paul. So Paul has been a very bad boy. Poor Anita. She says if she leaves, people will talk. Reporting to Jude is as good as enduring her pains in silence as she is currently doing. So apparently Paul has been disrespecting their home and Anita was as close as leaving. When resigned her decision as usual, when people started noticing and friends started asking her questions. Recently on her long holiday with the kids, there was a stopover in London for her to cool off before jetting off to Dubai. The plan was not to return to the hell, that's their matrimonial home. Paul does whatever the F he wants and Anita dares not say jack, like caring for her feelings is zero, beating her and all. Chai, at this point, let's pray for Anita and wish her success with her business. Chai, Paul, to report to Jude, who is the elder brother, is just nonsense. If he herself is not having it easy, Jude na real native man. When it comes to marriage, I beg, that one, if we start discussing, we won't finish. Anita is our main focus here. We saved Bam Bam by putting Teddy A's nonsense out, and he was forced to change as that was the only way to redeem his image. Let's do it for Anita Okoye too, and beg Anita Okoye's life matter. So you don't reach. I don't know whether na they waiting road boy they do be that, whether I name don they follow am or but I know say some rich men, then their wife no they ever get mad for where they dey. If they won't do anything or talk anything, for their mind they go say best you don't chop money. No complain. Many women they fight for this opportunity, they pray for this opportunity where you get them, you see they make mouth. You go just make them they do anyhow. Alright, so my correct people there, wanna thank you so much for watching. Wanna stay beautiful. Bye.